Good morning, word wizards. We have been learning so much about sounds and words. Well, today we will continue reading and writing words with the long I sound, spelled with I-E and I-G-H. Let's go over our anchor words. Our anchor word for I-E is the word pie. The I-E in the word pie makes the long I sound. Our anchor word for the I-G-H is the word light. The IGH in the word light makes the long I sound. We're going to continue practicing while we read some sentences. As we read, pay close attention for the long I words, spelled with IE and IGH. Watch me. She will lie down for a short nap. In this sentence, she will lie down for a short nap. The word lie has the long I sound, spelled with I-E. In this sentence, the fast bus turned right at the corner. The word right has the long I sound, spelled with I-G-H. Now let's try this together. Be sure to tie your loose shoelace. In this sentence, which word has the long I sound? Yes, the word tie has the long I sound, spelled with I-E. Let's try another one. Our yard has a high fence. In this sentence, our yard has a high fence. Which word has the long I sound? Yes, the word high has the long I sound, spelled with I-G-H. Now I'm going to read a sentence, and I want you to repeat after me. The full moon is out tonight. In this sentence, which word has the long I sound? That's right, the word tonight has the long I sound. And what spelling pattern do we see here? I-G-H. In the word tonight, we have the I-G-H, which makes the long I sound. Let's try another one. My mom makes a delicious apple pie. In this sentence, which word has the long I sound? That's right, pie. And the spelling pattern we have here is the I-E, making the long I sound. Pie. Let's try another one. This lid is too tight, said the man. Which word in this sentence has the long I sound? That's right, the word tight has the long I sound, spelled with I-G-H. Let's try one more. He tried his best to do his homework on the computer. In this sentence, he tried his best to do his homework on the computer. Which word has the long I sound? That's right. The word tried has a long I sound, spelled with I-E. Tried. Now let's go over all the words with the long I from the sentences that have the I-E and the I-G-H. Our I-E words are lie, tie, pie, and tried. In the words lie, tie, pie, and tried, we have the long I sound spelled with I-E. The words from the sentence with I-G-H are right, high, night, tight. Right, high, night, tight all have the long I sound spelled with I-G-H. Well, now it's your turn to practice. You will find the practice page to complete. You're going to read the riddles and fill in the blanks with the long I word spelled with I-E or I-G-H from the word bank. Good luck and have fun!